The CTS Record Board Generator is simple, intuitive software that enables you to easily create a custom record board for your video display. In this video, we will cover how to create and display a custom record board. Once installed, open the Record Board Generator software. Begin by setting the dimensions for the record board based on the dimensions of your video display. The dimensions can be entered manually, or if you are running the Record Board Generator on the same computer as your DisplayLink Plus software, the dimensions can be imported. If DisplayLink is set up with multiple board configurations, a window will pop up asking you to select which of the board configurations you would like to select. Type the number of the configuration you would like to import, then click OK. The preview window will scale based on the dimensions set for the display. Click here to show the preview as a 1:1 scale, or click here to expand the preview to fill the available space in the window. Next, import the file that contains the records. The Record Board Generator software accepts both xlsx and CSV files, as well as REC files from Hy-Tek Team Manager. With the records file imported, you can set the sort order. Choose from no sorting, which keeps the imported files formatting, stroke then distance, distance then stroke, or NFHS high school order. If you wish to split your records across multiple pages, click the Multiple Pages checkbox, then enter the desired number of records per page. Here is where the currently selected background color is displayed. To adjust the background color, click the color shown. A color selection window will open. Here you can adjust the color using the color wheel, type in the hex value for the color desired, or set the RGB value using either the sliders or by manually entering each value. Once the background color is set, click outside of the color selection window to exit and set the background color. To set the background color to transparent, click the No BG button. To import a background image, click the Import button in the Background Image section. Navigate to the image you wish to use, and then click Open. The Record Board Generator supports JPEG, bitmap, and PNG files. The program will automatically scale the background image to fit your board while preserving the aspect ratio of the image. If necessary, click the X button to remove the background image. Use the background image brightness slider to adjust the brightness of the background image. If desired, type the title for the record board in the board title text box. If no board title is added, the software will scale the imported records file content to the available space. If a title is added, the software will automatically reposition the record data below the added title. The color of the text can be set in the same manner as the background color by clicking the color shown in the board title color section and selecting the color using the color wheel or with hex or RGB values. Click the board title font drop-down to select the desired font for the board title. To make the board title bold, click to check the bold checkbox. Uncheck it to remove the bold effect. Color and font can be set separately for both event title and records using the same steps as the board title here. If you have multiple pages, use the right arrow button at the bottom right of the page to scroll to the next page. Use the left arrow located at the bottom left to scroll back to the previous page. Once all the settings have been set as desired, you can save the settings to use in the future for other record boards by clicking the Save Settings button. Click Load Settings to load previously saved settings. Once satisfied with the record board, click the Export Image button to export the record board as a PNG, JPEG, or bitmap image file. If multiple pages were selected, this will export an image for each page. With the images exported, they can now be loaded into the DisplayLink library and displayed on your video display. A tutorial is available by clicking the question mark icon located in the title bar of the window. Once the tutorial opens, step through each segment by clicking Next, or click Cancel to return to the main screen. For more information on this and other CTS products, visit our website or see our other videos.